I just wanted to make a quick video to show you the graphic user interface of Logic Pro X. This is the software we're going to be using in this course. And kind of just give you a quick little tour of the main parts of the software we're going to be using. It's pretty straightforward, and if you've used Adobe before, this will look familiar to you. So I'm going to start an empty project. For now, I'm going to choose audio, even though audio and software instrument, those are kind of the main sections we're going to use. But for now, I'm just going to use audio. And here we have an audio track. You can see that it's picking up my voice. To the left, we have the inspector, which is kind of just a mixing channel strip. It has the volume of the track. You can see the volume of my voice. Now it's diminished because I've turned it all the way down. And I'm going to bring it back up. This is the panning. This will put it all the way in the right earphone. This will bring it to the left earphone. Here's where we put in audio effects, so if we want to mangle the sound or process it in any way, we have many options here. This entire channel strip section to the left is called the inspector, so I can press I to remove that if I want some more screen space. I can also press I to bring it back. Also, if I want to add another track, I have this plus sign, so there's a pretty good chance I'll want more than one thing happening at a time. So I'm going to press plus. It'll give me this splash screen one more time, and I'll press create. Once I have more than one channel firing, the inspector is not as useful because I can only see one of these at a time. So in that case, I will want to press X, and that will show me the mixer. This way I can control more than one channel at once. I can put this channel all the way to the right, and this channel all the way to the left. I can get rid of the mixer again by pressing X. X brings it on, X takes it away. So how about I record something real quick? Turn that off. R is record, or I can also press this big red button, the circle, and here I go. I'm saying things. You can see that Logic is recording my voice right now. I know, incredible. Okay, so this is a representation of what I just spoke into the software. It captured it. I can also zoom in to this if I want to do some real fine tuning to it with E. So pressing E gives me this screen down here, which is very useful if I want to really get in there and make some more kind of minute changes. E, pressing it again, makes that go away. The loop library is controlled from the upper right-hand corner here. You can also press O. If you're about the loop life, you can go up here and find a loop. You can audition it by pressing here, and you can drag it into the recording area, and now you have a loop accompanying my spoken voice. What else? We can press B if I want to control some of the native plugins and effects in Logic. So B, one of the first ones, is like an EQ. Sometimes some kind of EQ is very useful to a Logic project. So pressing B will open that window. So in review, B for manipulating effects, E for editing, the edit window, I for inspector, which is the piece on the left, the channel strip, O for loops, and we also have these functions can be clicked up above as well. And Logic is cool enough to give us a little explanation next to each of these functions. That is all. Thank you.